Okay guys, so I am going to try to come back with a couple of extra videos this year. I'm not really like big into making videos on YouTube anymore. I do have a lot of reels that I upload, or not reels, but I guess they're called like shorts on YouTube. So if you ever want to see what's going on with me and you don't feel like, downloading like all these other forms of social media, you could also just check the shorts and see what's up with me. For example, I did upload a short of me in the store trying these on if you want to see how these look, as well as the belt. More hair videos. I do want to do more hair videos. I have so much hair now, is more than I can actually handle. My hair is waist length. It's probably like in the front, it actually is thigh length, like the very top of my thighs. And right now, like in January, it doesn't shed very much from October to January, and like towards the end of January it will start shedding a lot. So I have been dealing with a lot of tangled hair because it's shedding a lot. So I just did this really cute style, which is the Bantu knots. My hair's been in Bantu knots for 4 weeks, I think. So yeah, I just washed it, combed it out, and then I trimmed it and I put it back in Bantu knots because I just don't feel like dealing with all of my hair being tangled, and I get a lot of shrinkage in the months of January and February. I don't know why, but it's just like the humidity, the lack of humidity, the cold air. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it will just like shrink up even though like it's super long. But I do want to do like more videos. Hold on. Why is this doing this? Stop it. I do want to do more videos. It's just I don't have a lot of room and I have so much hair. And I'm in my office right now. This is my new office that you guys have never seen. It's a lot smaller than my old office. The dimensions are like the same, but like it's different. So the room is smaller. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just I feel very cramped in here, and I had to donate a lot of my clothes to charities and put a lot of stuff on Poshmark because I just didn't have enough room. Once I moved here, I had like a lot less closet space. I think that's like the best way to describe it, is I had like 2 really gigantic closets where I used to live that were basically like 9 like tall ceilings. Like I had like 2 rows, and I had a lot of space in those closets, and I don't have that here. If you guys look, so back there, that's my closet. That's like how big the closet is in here. And as you can see, you can only like slide the door open a little bit. I can barely get anything in there. And then like my desk, my makeup desk, I have nowhere to put that. So it's just in front of the closet door. It's crazy. Okay. So I'm doing the best I can with what's going on here. Someone asked me about my hauls and JustFab. I used to be a JustFab ambassador like years ago. I am not an ambassador for them, nor do I shop there anymore. I have not shopped there in probably like 7 years, 6 or 7 years. I have sold a lot of my JustFab shoes. A lot of them I'm donating to a domestic violence shelter. And then I have like a lot of them that I've never even worn listed on my Poshmark account. So if any of you guys want to buy any of those shoes, like just go to my Poshmark, and I'll list what it is in the description box. But I buy a lot of designer shoes now, and I don't know, like I haven't done like a formal haul. This is my first one. in a long time on designer shoes, but what was I gonna say? Oh, but I have them in the shorts. I have a lot of them in the shorts, but I want to show you guys. So, okay. So this is like, I still have my shoe wall. I still have like all of that stuff. And like over here, I have boots. But if you look down there, those are like Just Fab shoes right there. And I still have like clothing racks. I could do like clothing hauls, all of that. I just haven't. I don't know if it's blurry now, but that's what's going on with me. And I'll keep you guys updated. So, Happy New Year. Hope you guys are all doing great. Hope you enjoyed the quick little update and the shoe haul that I just did. And I will see you guys all later.